Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, thanks so much for joining me. I do hope you will consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos from me. And if you're returning, hey Shug Muffin. Alright y'all, so I have another synthetic wig review for you today. This wig was sent to me from LOHOT, which is a vendor on Amazon. So huge shout out and thank you to them for sending me this wig and sponsoring this video. So today I'm going to be reviewing this long wavy synthetic wig with a bang. She claims to be 24 inches and she's in the color wine red. So let's go ahead and dive right into the review. Super easy breezy throw on and go kind of wig. I really didn't have to do anything but literally throw her on my head. As you can see, something I would like to highlight is that I feel like they did a phenomenal job with the packaging. I enjoyed the goodies they included with the packaging. Even though this is not a headband wig, they included some really cute headbands that I thought were very nice. So thank you, I appreciate that. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and dive right into my thoughts of this unit. I'll start with the good. Like I said, the packaging was very good. I love me a good wavy unit, so the style of this wig is super cute. Along with the color, y'all know I'm here for the red, so I really like this deep wine red. Very pretty color. I feel like the cap is very comfortable, so I will go ahead and be comfortable in saying that it's all hair friendly, no issues there. Alright, so just for a few of my cons, I feel like this may be in like the typical Amazon wig type of category where I received so many wigs like this where you know, they have this whole plastic part, which I don't know, it's a major pet peeve for me. I can't stand this plastic part, but that's what I have on here. So, you know, I'm going to be honest and transparent, and I'm going to let you know that it does have this plastic part here. So, I mean, it's a small part, so, you know, it may be something you can easily overlook. This unit is definitely a shangler. We are shedding and tangling. I mean, you know, it's silky, so the fibers aren't the greatest. I mean, the tangling is to be expected. Maybe not so much the shedding, but, you know, that's just what you're gonna get for these types of wigs. So, yes, we are shangling. Now, she claims to be 24 inches. I don't know if I can agree. I mean, I know I'm not the best at measuring inches, but I would give this like 20, 22 inches at the most. I don't think she's that long. Maybe in the back. You know how the units are a little shorter, or they appear shorter in the front than they do in the back. So maybe in the back she could be a little closer to 24 inches. Yeah, I don't know. Just doesn't seem that way looking at face value here, but I could be wrong. So again, this unit can be found on Amazon for $24.99. So that's really all that I have on this cute, long, wavy unit. Of course, I would love to know your thoughts down in the comments below. So let me know what you think about this wine red wavy long unit. So again, huge shout out and thank you to LOHOT for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. Thanks to you all for watching this video. I always appreciate you coming back and watching my videos. Even if it's your first time, I appreciate you being here. So please be sure to thumbs up this video, hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next video.